Hey guys, I just got back from my first day of school and we're gonna go review the Superman Dairy Queen thing. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're here at the Dairy Queen and we're gonna get the thing. So let's go inside. Okay guys, we're inside. We're ordering right now. Okay guys, we just got the drink. It looks like this. So let's sit. Okay guys, we're at the table and I'm gonna do a taste test of it. Okay guys, we're at the table and I'm gonna do a taste test of it. Okay guys, so we have the thing. What's happening there? Oh my.
That's how I first found out, but I wasn't like thinking into it. Like I had it in my, like I didn't. I just had this feeling. I was young. I
Right.
Did you get the cookie dough?
didn't intend to do it. I just said like I should have later. Up until like I knew that this was like, I was like, oh.
4.5 out of 5 stars. Pretty good. Okay, we just left Dairy Queen.